Meet Shark CryoGlow, the new MedSpa-inspired mask with under-eye cooling. IQ-LED technology uses high-powered LED and deep infrared for visible results in just 8 weeks. Better aging treatment boosts collagen and is clinically tested to reduce fine lines and signs of aging. Skin clearing provides chemical-free acne treatment on and beneath the surface, even visibly tightened under eyes in one use. Developed with dermatologists for radiant results at home, Shark CryoGlow. Buy now. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MoneyLenz for more smart beauty and lifestyle deals.